What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to refund money from Facebook ads account. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook or facebook.com. After typing, you will be redirected to the website of Facebook wherein if you are new to Facebook, just simply sign up with your email and password to create a new Facebook account. But if you already have a Facebook account, just simply log in with that account. Now, after signing up or logging in, you will be welcome to the homepage of Facebook. Now, after coming to the homepage on the right side, you will see the waffle-like menu icon. Click on this here on the right side at the top. After clicking, you will see this ad section here on the right side. Click on this ad section. And after clicking in a new tab, the Facebook Ads Manager will open and this type of dashboard will appear. Now from here, you need to hover to the left side and click on Billings and Payments tab. Now after clicking on Billings and Payments, this will lead you to a new window wherein you can set all your billings and payment settings. Now, after coming into the payments and settings or billings and payments section, here just scroll down to the bottom and then at the end you will see the button of Get Help. Click on this Get Help button and then a new pop-up will appear with what do you need help with. Click on a payment. After clicking on a payment, you will see the tab of I want to request a refund. Click on this and then add your account from which you want to get a refund to and describe your problem that why do you want to get the refund or what are the reasons. So this is how you can get a refund money from Facebook ads. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.